Okay, now we are ready to start the room selection process. When you log onto your housing portal, you will see on the home page under the room selection tab that you will see all the room selection processes that you can choose from. These include the Watson Village, East and West Wilson, Faculty Drive Apartments or FDA. And if you keep scrolling over, click the arrow, you can view Helms and also South Village. Under each room selection, you will see a description. It will show the housing rate. It will show your start time for that housing selection process, your priority number, and your group priority number. Please take note of the start time. This is when you are allowed to start selecting a room in the housing selection process. So as we see right here, Victor Bulldog can start selecting a room on April 12th, 2021 at 9 a.m. When it's your time to start the housing selection process, you will have 5 minutes to select your room before the next group starts to select their housing. You can take longer than 5 minutes to select your housing, but however, the next group will have the ability to go as well. It is wise to plan out what rooms that you and your group want so that you already know where to go. Let's walk through an example on how to do it. In this selection, we'll be selecting from South Village. So when we go click over to South Village, we'll click Select Room Suite. Right here at the top, it says you are currently active in more than one selection process. Please select the process in which you would like to participate. We will click over and go down to South Village. You can review the housing contract. When you're ready to select, click Continue. Once you're ready to select, you will go down to Select from Room List, search available rooms, and here you will see all the rooms that are available for you and your roommates to select. In South Village, if you're in a group of 2, you can only select 2-bedroom apartments. If you're in a group of 4, you can only select 4-bedroom apartments. Your group size will determine what is available for you to select. If you click search available rooms and you do not see any rooms pop up, more than likely you do not have the correct group size for that selection process, or you can give us a call and we'll walk through to see what the issue is. But right here we see we want to go into South Village, Building 4, 412A. If it was a bigger room, you will be able to see the roster of who already was in that room. But we're going to select Room Suite. Right here, you get to select who is in which bed. So Victor Bulldog is in bed A, and Daniel Meadows is in bed or room B. Once you have finalized that, click Submit Room Selection. You will get a confirmation saying, congratulations, your room selection process is complete. Your room assignment has been saved. You and your roommates will receive a confirmation email shortly. And now you are finished with the room selection process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Residence Life.